Welcome back to Best Lathe Plans. This is the workbench, and here's a project I've been working on. So what makes this project interesting is the ratio between the diameter and the height of each of these cylinders is the same for each set. So for each of these, it's identical. And they each have a specific mass as well. So let's check these out on the scales. We'll just turn on the scales here. And we'll grab a weight. That one's slightly under. So if you want to make some of these, check out the full video on Best Lathe Plans. And there is a download as well, which will tell you exactly how to make